Hi guys, I am Viva, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a very simple recipe for a cold summer soup. This is traditional Bulgarian summer soup called Tarator. It's made from cucumbers and yogurt, and both cucumbers and yogurt are known for their cooling effects on the human body. Try this soup out. I promise you it's gonna help you cool down very fast in the hot summer days. Enjoy! All you need for this amazing cold soup is yogurt, cucumbers, 2-3 cloves of garlic, little dill, salt and pepper by taste, and extra virgin olive oil. I am using plain Greek whole milk yogurt. It's 50% fat consistency. You can actually use any type of yogurt you want, but I would suggest you choose a good yogurt. And all this goes into the bowl. Just give it a nice stir fast. And that's it for now, and I'll put it on the side. 2 English cucumbers. They have to be chopped very fine. If you wish, you can use a food processor or grind them. I prefer to do that by hand because we need some tiny chunks of the cucumbers. That way it tastes better. We need finely chopped. These pieces are a little big, so give it a little more chop. Okay guys, this is about how we want the cucumbers to be chopped. And now I'm gonna add this to the yogurt and do the same until I'm done with the cucumbers. I am done with the cucumbers, and I'm gonna add the last and give it a nice stir. Mix well. Looks so beautiful and it smells very fresh. That's ready. I will use my press for the garlic. This is by taste, so you can use as much garlic as you wish or not, but I suggest you put garlic. It makes big difference. Done with the garlic, and again I'll give it a nice mix. And put it on the side. And Let's add some fresh dill. The more you chop it, the more the juices are releasing and the taste and the aroma. So chop it nice. I think I'll add some extra. I want more. Combination of cucumbers and dill is perfect. It goes together perfectly. Yeah, this is better. And here it's when I'm gonna add some salt. This is by taste. And a little olive oil, also by taste, and give it a nice mix. I want everything to incorporate very well and all the flavors to mix together very well. All we have left is to water down our soup, and again drizzle some salt and black pepper to taste, and that's it. A little cold water, not all the time, a little bit, and start mixing, watering down the yogurt. And here again you can decide how thick or how watery you want your cold soup. Make sure you nicely mix to the bottom to incorporate all the yogurt, and I think that's the right consistency we like. You can see the yogurt is watery and the soup is still nice and thick with all the cucumbers inside. Here it's the time when you taste and decide if you need some more salt, and if you'd like, add some black pepper on the top. I'll add some. And just mix again. And when you serve, you can cut a little piece of dill and add to the plate or to the bowl. Okay guys, what you need to do is place this cold summer soup into the refrigerator and keep it there. Whenever you need or you want to have it, just take it out and serve. The cold soup is served. You can add some dill on the top, serve it with that, and everyone can add salt and pepper by taste. This is great summer soup that will be extremely helpful in the hot summer days. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!